Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to crop an image in Google Slides. So this is very simple. We'll be cropping this image. So in order to crop it, you will have to select it like this and then go up here to this crop image tool. Click on that. Here you have these options. So basically, if you drag from the corner like this, you can crop it however you like. So let's say like this. And if you drag from the bottom, you can crop it like this. If you drag from the left, you can crop it like this. So let's say I want to crop it just to see these two text. So I will do that real quick. As you can see, it is pretty easy and quick. And then when you are all done with your adjustments, just press enter. Now unselect it and you should see your cropped image. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.